Yo, what's up? It's 12inchapps.com. I'm over here on my homepage building. Check it out. I want to share with you a cool way that I found for people to be able to share the custom components that they're building. Maybe you're building it for your friends or for your clients and you want to show them this custom component. So check it out. This is how you do it. It's really cool. You see my homepage right here is 12inchapps.com. This page is made up of different custom components that I've built, right? This banner right here, you could click on it to go to our BM9000. Even my little logo here with the background, all this custom component, all this, right? When you come to Arcblock and you launch your pages kit, you're going to get some standard components that you could build your web page with, right? These are the standard page builders, and they're cool. They work well, but then you're going to see, oh man, I hear what 12's talking about. I could customize this way tighter, way easier. I've used ChatGPT for all my custom components. But so check it out. This is what I'm talking about. This is what makes Arcblock so tight. I'm here now on my dashboard, and as you can see, this is where I build my web page. You see the same thing. I have a banner here, but this is where I can edit my web page. So this is where I build it all and how I set it all up. Just put everything where it is so that end user can see it. These are custom components that I've built. Now, here's what I'm talking about. This is what I think is why this ability to share it. This is like enterprise grade composability. Okay? I'm not fronting when I say that. Right? This is how we're going to make money, building these custom components. So check it out. Here's the coin flip one that I built already. Now let's just say this. Theoretically, somebody said, "Yo, 12, I need a coin flip game, little hamster logo right here." I could choose one ABT, hit heads, and then you can win, right? I could customize this, right? Say I build this, I put somebody's different face on there or something. Maybe I built a little another component for their restaurant or something, right? For one of my clients, I'm building these things. Let's say I want to share it with them, right? Maybe it's not done. I go to my discussion kit. So you're going to see here on my drop-down menu, I go to my discussion kit. And I'm going to start a new discussion. And I can share this discussion with my client. I can make this a private discussion so that only they can see it. And I'll say, here is your coin flip game. How do you like it? Okay? Now, there's a menu here, different ways for us to configure the layout of our message. But here, it says component picker, this little plus button. I'm going to go past all of these, word configurations, and you can see these puzzle pieces. And if you leave your arrow on it, it says Pages Kit Custom Component. So these are my custom components. I can come here, hit coin flip, and now my component shows up. And I can send this to the client. The client can come here, choose one ABT, heads or tails. It says they lost. Okay? Play again. Heads or tails. Lost again. But you can see that the client would be able to see what I'm making for them. I could share it with them, and then they could say, I like this, maybe not. Maybe this is like a immersive menu for a restaurant. And they say, oh, you know what, let's change this photo out. Maybe change the font here or something. But this allows for us to share our custom components with our clients and then fine-tune them or even advertise them using our discussion kit. Other people can come and share their custom components. We could have a whole discussion kit of people just sharing different components. Be dope. All right, but yo, that's what I wanted to show you. 12-inch apps, basemoney.io. You already know what we're doing. Tap in. Peace.